A mechanic looked under the hood of a luxury car and saw $50 worth of work. His computer said $3,000 for a new engine. His shop was 3 weeks from closing. His partner was pushing him to lie. His family was worried about losing everything. He could have made the sale. The customer would never have known the difference. Instead, he charged $50 and told the truth. The customer smiled and said he'd be back. What the mechanic didn't know was that this man owned 12 dealerships across the state. He'd been testing local shops after getting ripped off too many times. Within 6 months, that mechanic became the exclusive service partner for all 12 locations. His failing shop became the most successful auto repair business in town. His employees got raises. His family got security. His community got someone they could trust. People drive from 3 counties away now just because they know he won't lie to them. One honest moment saved his entire future. Because integrity isn't just about doing right, it's about building something that lasts.